Hello everyone, my name is CMA and welcome back to CMA Models. In this video lecture, we will be recording sum number 9. Messrs. Singha Traders of Surat consigned 5,000 litres of edible oil costing rupees 32 each to M Limited of Mumbai on 1st Feb 2022. S Limited paid rupees 5,000 as freight and insurance charges. During transit, 200 litres were destroyed, for which the insurance company agreed to pay rupees 5,000 in full settlement. M Limited paid clearing charges of rupees 6,100, go down rent rupees 300 and salesman salary rupees 900. It was entitled to 6% ordinary commission and 4% del creda commission on sales. On 30th June 2022, M Limited reported that 4,000 litres were sold at rupees 1,65,000 and 100 litres were lost due to evaporation. A customer who brought liquor for 1,500 could pay only 40% of his amount. M Limited paid its balance due by a check. So we have Messrs. Singha Traders of Surat consigned 5,000 litres. So what is the consignment? So he has consigned 5,000 litres. So let me write it down, note it down. So it is consignment account. So two goods sent to consignment. Okay, two goods sent on consignment. We have 32 into 5,000. Okay, so that will give me 1,60,000. Then we have Mumbai on 1st Feb. S Limited paid 5,000 as freight. Okay, so S Limited paid 5,000 as freight. So bank account debit to consignment account debit to bank account. So here I'll have expenses, and that's 5,000. During transit, 200 litres were destroyed, for which insurance company agreed to pay rupees 5,000 in full settlement. So in transit, the goods were destroyed, so insurance companies agreed to pay. So that will take later on. We have to prepare one working note for transit. M Limited paid clearing charges of rupees 6,100, go down rent rupees 300 and salesman salary 900. It was entitled to 6% ordinary commission and 4% del creda commission. So we have 2M Limited. Okay, 2M Limited. What we are supposed to answer here? So 2M Limited, we have clearing charges. Okay, we have clearing charges. We have clearing charges 6,100. Then we have clearing charges done. Then we have go down rent. Go down rent is 300. Then we have salesman salary. Salesman salary, that's 900. It was entitled to 6% ordinary commission and 4% del creda commission. It was entitled to 6% ordinary commission. So they have given us details of 1,65,000 as sales. So 1,65,000 into 6%. Into 6%, I'll get 9,900. And 1,65,000 into 4%, I'll get 6,600. So this is my commission. So what I'll do, I'll write down my commission to commission or to M Limited. Okay, to commission $9,900, 6,600. So this much is done. Then I have next, this much is done, 16,500 commission part. M Limited reported that 4 litres were sold at 1,65,000. So I'll note down my sales. Okay, so by M Limited. Right now I don't know anyone else and I have not received money also. So sales, I'll have to note it down with the help of M Limited name only. And 100 litres were lost due to evaporation. Okay. A customer who bought liquor for 1,500 could pay only 40% of his amount. A customer who bought liquor for 1,500, okay, could pay only 40% of his amount. So we have a bad debt also. So 1,500 out of 1,500, 40% is only recovered. Okay, so let me check. 1,500 into 40% is recovered. So balance 900, 1500 minus 600, balance 900 is my loss. Okay. So M Limited paid its balance due by check. Okay. Now let me take you through the next part. So we are supposed to prepare working notes for calculation of value of goods in transit and unsold stock. So if you see cost of goods sent, so I'll note down cost of very first line. Cost of goods sent is 5,000 liters, and here if I do working 5,000 into 32. Then I have add consigners expenses, add consigners expenses. So if I do that, I'll get 5,000. So total I'll get 1,65,000. Out of this, what I'll do is less goods destroyed, less goods destroyed, so we have 1,65,000 into 200 divided by 5,000. So how we are getting 1,65,000? So out of 1,65,000, 200 liters are destroyed. 200 liters is destroyed. Here they have mentioned. Total is 5,000. So that I took a ratio. Okay, I'll subtract that destroyed part also. Okay, I'll subtract destroyed part. I'll get 1,58,400. Okay, non-recurring expenses incurred by consignee. So I have non-recurring expenses, add non-recurring expenses. So non-recurring expenses given to me in the question 6,100. M Limited is incurring 6,100. So what I'll do is 6,100 is the clearing charges. I'll add that 6,100. I'll get 1,54,58. So 1,64,500. Here also 200 I'm supposed to destroy. It is destroyed. So balance I have 4,800. Then I have a normal loss. So how to go for normal loss? If you see, they have mentioned that a customer who bought a liquor, 100 liters were lost due to evaporation. 100 liters directly normal loss is given to me. So I'll note down normal loss 100. So I'll get 4,700 here as final total, and for this part I'll get 1,64,500. Now what I'll do here is I'll have unsold stock. Unsold stock is 5,000 minus 200, which I'm not selling, minus 100, which is normal loss. So this much is done. Then what else I have? 1,65,000 sale amount which I am getting, no? That I am getting from 4,000 liters. So 4,000 liter sale is also done. So minus 4,000. So I am left only with 700. So 700 is my closing stock. Unsold stock is nothing but closing stock. So I'll get closing stock value also. Closing stock value will be 1,64,500. 1,64,500 into 700 divided by 4,700. I'll get 24,500. So I'm taking in a proportionate basis. Done. Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to close this. So if you see we have 1,65,000. Here I'll take buy goods destroyed, buy goods destroyed in transit, buy goods destroyed in transit 6,600. by consignment stock account. So closing stock amount we have 24,500. Okay, now if I total this up, I'll get 1,96,100, 1,96,100, and by this, if I 7,300, and this is my P&L. So this amount I'll take it to P&L. This is my total. Okay, this is my total. So I'm sum. I hope you're comfortable with this sum. Thank you.